scrape the ground, clear the dirt, smooth it around. Scraper comes, clears the way, prepares the road for a brand new day. Mix the tar, pour it hot, near and far. Mixer truck spins away, pouring tar to make the way. Level, smooth and wide, make the road nice to ride. Grader comes, makes it flat, smooths it down just like that. Roll it flat, now the road is perfect, that's a fact. Roller comes, presses strong, makes the road all day long. Dry the tar, wait for the road to shine like a star. Wait for the sun to dry it right, the road will be ready day and night. Now the road is shiny and smooth, it's ready for cars and people to move. Drive along on the road where you belong. From dirt to tar, we're on our way. Now the road is ready, hooray!